Josh Green with Eastern Title and Settlement. I'm actually on DC Top Producers right now on their Zoom and taking the time to shoot a video real quick to give you an update. Philippe, this is for you. You came in and told me that we were giving some good content out there. Eastern Title, you know, we settle anywhere, anytime. Some pictures of our guys with their PPE, Realtor PPE packages on. That means gloves, masks, sanitizer, and foot mittens, if you want to call them that. And we are going to be putting those together this weekend for you real estate agents out there or anybody who needs it, because we are in this together. We're just not a title company. We're more than that. We're here to support our community, and what we've done, if you look in the background, we've got sanitizers, gloves, we've got your N95 masks, very limited supply, only for people with pre-existing conditions. You've got your disposable pens. So we have everything here that you need to conduct a successful, safe settlement, and also to do an open house or a walkthrough, or just to go to the grocery store to get food for your family. My email is josh@easterntitle.com, or you can call me 240-876-0642 if you need anything. Also, Always Evolving Media, they have an Instagram, Facebook page, Glen at Always Evolving Media. Contact him if you have an open house or a listing and you want to do a virtual tour, because you know, I see the agents out there using Facebook, doing FaceTimes. That's all great, and I think any kind of content is great. I'm not going to tell you not to do it because it's interactive, but they've come with a little bit of help of us and some of our clients, and we produced videos, or they produced the videos actually, and did a voiceover with the floor plans, and the agents are loving it because it's better than a virtual walkthrough. It is a walkthrough, and it's professionally edited and done. So, you know, you can be with the pack and shoot it on FaceTime, or you can lead the pack and do our virtual tours through AEM Media, Always Evolving Media. Contact Glen at Always Evolving Media.